I know the idea of getting your home sold is a little scary and somewhat confusing, but you just need some help. Recently, I got a group of home sellers together and asked them to give me their biggest questions about selling their home. I think you'll be amazed at the answers I gave them. Stick around. Hi, I'm Scott Dickinson, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to address questions that home sellers have. But before we get started, do me a favor. Please subscribe to my channel, maybe hit a like, and leave me a comment if you think about it. I would appreciate it. Most people have a lot of questions about selling their home. See, they're worried that if they make a mistake, it can cost them a lot of money. And in reality, it can. So here's the most common questions that home sellers have. Now you listen up. I want to know how the real estate market is right now, don't you know? The housing market is still very strong here in Washington State. Interest rates are at historic lows, and inventory on houses is ridiculously low. Now, while low interest rates help both buyers and sellers, the low inventory levels makes it a seller's market.
My question is, if I put my house on the market, do I have to have an open house? I don't like strange people in my home.
Open houses are a great way to get traffic into your home, and it especially works well when the weather is nice. But having a digital online virtual tour and other great marketing tools will actually get you more success and more traffic than just open houses. So yes, we can absolutely sell your home without having open houses.
My question is, the boys at the station say that I should use Zillow to figure out what my house is worth. Do you think that's a good idea?
The quick answer is no. National websites like Zillow and Trulia really are not good at telling you what your house will sell for. The main reason is they really don't know the local area, and they can't see inside your home. The only way to get a true number on what your house will sell for is to have an agent do a competitive market analysis. This meticulous but very important process will tell you what your house will sell for because it looks at other homes like yours in the local area that have recently sold.
Hey, my question is, what's the best time of year to sell my house? I don't want it to interfere with football season. Go Hawks!
Honestly, the best time to sell your home is when you want to. A proper marketing plan executed well is much more important than what time of the year you try to sell your home. A lot of people say that springtime is the best to put your home in the market to get it sold. But honestly, I sell houses all year long, including during the holidays.
Dagnabbit, I want to know why I should hire you to sell my home.
So this is my very favorite question. The best reason I can give you to allow me to sell your home is that I take care of each and every customer every time, and it's so important to me. I have great marketing skills that many other agents don't have, and my communication is top-notch. I make sure that every customer knows what's going on and what the next steps are. I communicate with them regularly so they feel good about the process. I do my best for my customers each and every day. and my best can be pretty darn incredible. So I hope I answered your questions about selling your home. But if you have a question that I didn't answer, please make a comment here or reach out to me. I want to be able to answer it for you, and I want to help you. My reputation is utmost importance to me, and my reputation is I get the job done. Please reach out to me if I can help you. Thank you.